Hey everyone, welcome back. And for those of you participating in NaNoWriMo, happy week 2. Good luck, hang in there. I'm right there with you. But today is not a writing video. It's not a nano video. Today is something completely different because I have a box to open and I have no idea what's inside the box, which is thrilling. Martha, and I'll put her YouTube channel down below. M.A. Coot, I believe, is her YouTube video, or her YouTube channel. I'll put her link down below. We decided to do a swap, a witchy mystic swap, and the only thing that we mentioned is 3 decks to pick 3 tarot, oracle, whichever decks to swap. And so I have no idea what decks are in here, and I'm so excited to dive in and see what called out to her to be rehomed to me. And this is a collaboration, so she will be unboxing the package I sent her all the way from Ireland. So I will put that link down below too. If you're not familiar with Martha, she does writing videos. She's a writer. She does planning videos, journaling videos. She does tarot reviews, and she's just the sweetest person. So make sure you go and send her some love. But I'm so freaking excited. I actually got this box yesterday, and so I've been like dying to open it. I don't actually have scissors here, but I did grab a dreadlock crochet hook. So that may work. It may not. Oh yeah, it's working perfectly. Hey, I can leave this up here now because I always use the scissors downstairs. Okay, here we go. Here we go. I'm so excited. Okay, I figured that I love seeing unboxing videos because you get like the initial facial expressions. I'm trying to be careful because I do want to keep some of the like stamps and things from Ireland that's on the outside of this box. Okay. She packaged everything so nicely. All right, come on. Maybe the crochet hook is not the greatest idea, but we got it open. Okay, so before I actually like pull anything out, look, oh my gosh. Martha. I love like the aesthetics. Okay, I gotta calm down. All right, I'm gonna pull out. Everything smells so good too. Okay, this feels like a deck, so let's see what deck number 1 is. Oh my goodness, there's a little thing that says Renly that I can see inside the box. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have seen these. Earth Magic, totally perfect for me. Okay, I'm gonna have to open. I am all about animal and earth. Oh my goodness. I actually told someone recently, I'm like, confession, I really love tarot for the artwork because you ultimately get between 50 to like 80 cards of art. Oh my goodness, there's probably gonna be a glare. Look at these images. Sanctuary, so freaking gorgeous. There's a fairy. This is so perfect, Martha. Lotus flower. Oh my gosh, these are so gorgeous. I get chills already. And it came with a little book. All right, let's take a peek at the book. Earth Magic Oracle Cards Guidebook by Stephen Farmer. I love these little books. I know some people don't like the little white books, but I am obsessed. Honestly, I like to like sit down with it first before I even play with the cards. Oh, so exciting. I love it. Already, I could just stop here and be completely thrilled, but I won't because we're gonna see. Okay, so this says Renly, so I'm gonna, it's says friendly. Let's see what that's about. Let's see what's in here. And I love this. Okay, I do save every little thing because I like to put it either in my Hobonichi or my current journal. Look at that washi tape. Little butterflies. To Renly, as you walk this world, the good people keep your path free. May the good people keep your path free, and the door to magic always be open to you. Oh, I love it. I'm gonna put this in her journal actually, because I keep a little journal for Renly. Okay, let's see what this, oh my goodness. I am loving all of this washi. These are beautiful. So stunning. I'm trying to carefully like take it off so I can reuse it. I don't do that with like Christmas wrapping. I'm not that like really slow person, but when it comes to art and art type things, we gotta save the washi. Okay, let's see what's inside this. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. The Hobbit collection, Celtic fairy doors, handmade in Ireland. Okay, Kayla is going to flip when she sees this. It is so cute. Oh my gosh, I'm so in love with it. Okay, Kayla is gonna love it so much. And we actually are doing like fairy gardens here. That's like the plan as she gets older, because I did that with my kids. Okay, I'm gonna wrap it up and I'm gonna let Kayla unwrap it too, probably today, because I get the grandbaby tonight. And then we're gonna have to decide if this fairy door stays at Emma's house or if it can go home with Renly. Okay, so cute. Thank you so much, Martha, for thinking of her. Okay, all right, I see a card. More gorgeous wrapping. I'll be down in just a second. I'm doing a video. That's my middle girl. May you always find new roads to travel, new horizons to explore, new dreams to call your own. Hello, Heather, and many blessings to you and your wonderful family. I hope you enjoyed the decks I have chosen for you, but please feel free to pass items on to a good home if they do not call to you. I have included one deck, which is okay, I'm not gonna read it because then I'll get emotional and I'll know what is coming. So we are actually gonna save the rest of that card because I'm already getting like teared up. Okay. This washi. All right, I will have to see. I want to keep it all. I want to keep all the washi, but I know you guys don't want to be here forever as you watch me carefully open up all the things. So I may have to come back and take the washi. Okay. Martha, you outdid yourself, woman. Oh my goodness. Peter Popper Press. Look at this. This is the Mystic Moon Journal. Oh my gosh, that's so gorgeous. And I think it might be a B6, which I have never actually used, and recently thought to myself, I really want to use it. Does it say? It looks like it would be a B6. I love it so much. I love the coloring, the trees. Hello, I'm like a tree girl. Okay, I know what journal I'm using next. I'm so excited. Okay. All right. Handmade Soap, maybe? Let's see here. Yes. Oh my gosh. That's why everything smells so good. This is double butter soap with lavender and rosemary essential oils. Oh, gorgeous. Gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. Okay. Gotta like calm down. I'm getting like all excited here. Okay, let's see what's in here. Ooh. All right. Let's see. I'm so excited. I'm so excited to play with all the things. I love to like flip through and touch each one and look at each one. What do we have? No, you did not. The Witch's Tarot Major Arcana. Oh my goodness. Okay, I've been watching her videos. She's been walking through this deck and I've just been like so envious looking at them because the artwork, oh, wow. There is nudity in this, just FYI. There is some nudity. Oh my goodness. The artwork, stunning. Look at that bear. Oh my gosh. And the feel, I wondered what the feel would feel like because a couple people on YouTube talked about it. It is like the most beautiful matte feeling. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. Oh my gosh, I'm like, I could cry. Thank you so much. Stunning, stunning. Okay, let's see here. What comes next? More beautiful washi with trees. Okay, we're saving all the washi and I'll peel off the tissue papers from the back because, let's see. Oh my goodness. Okay, I have had this on my wish list for a very long time. And I am definitely, I think I mentioned it, but a earth and animal deck person. This artist, Paulina Cassidy, I heard about her through Martha and then started looking into her art and have had this on my wish list. Like, okay, let's just look. Stunning, stunning. Look at all these. Oh, I love it. And I actually don't have an animal tarot deck. I have animal spirit cards, like animal oracle cards, but I don't actually have a tarot deck. So that's going to be fun to work with, a specific spirit song tarot. Oh, I'm just like gushing. Okay, there's two more things in here. Rainbow washi. So sweet, so sweet. This is one reason why I love YouTube and I love the community and the people that you meet and the friendships that are formed from that. Okay, let's see. Okay, another one on my wish list. The Starchild Hero. I don't have this one either. So far, I don't own any of these, which is so wild. A friend recently de-stashed her collection and sent me some. And like, I didn't own any of the ones that she sent. And even after her huge generosity, I don't own any of these either. It was meant to be. Okay, so let me look at the book. Oh my goodness. Okay, I can't wait to read the book. All right, but we're going to dive into this. I don't know much about the Starchild Tarot. I know the artist, so I'm very, very excited. Oh my gosh, look at the purples and blacks. Wow. It's going to be so hard to decide which one deck I'm going to end up working with in 2022 because I choose one to actually study. Oh, wow. Look at that. Oh, gorgeous. Oh, I'm just like, I'm speechless. This is stunning. Oh, I love how it's edged too. So exciting. Okay, so exciting. All right, we have some gorgeous papers here that I can journal with. Love it, love it, love it. Okay, and then one last thing. Already she outdid herself. So generous. And more butterfly washi. I love this. I'm totally going to put some of this butterfly washi in Renly's journal and my journal. All right. Okay. What do we have? Okay. What? Guys, this is a gorgeous box too. And it's like a cigar box. My husband is a cigar smoker. How freaking cool is that? Bonefire Tarot. Wow. Okay, I just grabbed these cards. I love the size of them. Look at the backs. The colors. Wow. I'm so excited. Okay, I know what I'll be doing for the rest of the day is playing with these cards. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much, Martha. This was like the sweetest thing, and it was so fun. I hope you enjoy the goodies that are waiting for you to open. And again, I will put Martha's package that she is unboxing down below. And this was such a fun collaboration. I encourage you guys, reach out, make friends, talk to people, ask if they would like to do a swap. It's so fun. Okay, until next time, I will talk with you guys later.